You're just a few steps away from getting your website online. You have a great idea for a business. There is a market for it. You have a plan. And you are now ready to take action. That's great. We want to make sure that your business starts on the right foot with a great website. We don't just offer you one of the world's best hosting platforms for any type of business. We show you the steps you need to take to build your own website. Little time or not technical? Not everyone cares for the technical aspects of building a website. If that sounds familiar, you can still build a great website with Website Builder. No coding required. Select one of our beautiful templates. Add your products or services. Select your options. And publish your website. That's it. We make it easy so that you can focus on your business and customers. We take care of the rest. Come and visit Digital Forests and get started. www.digitalforests.com